So today we've been looking for a solution for a 24 volt system. SureFi in the past has done an excellent job for solving our 12 volt electronic devices, but we ran into a challenge with it in that many of the electronics out there also run 24 volts. And so we've been working with SureFi to develop a product that will solve this solution, and today I think we nailed it. In that we have a 24 volt power source in the cabinet, and it powers both the SureFi device, the readers, and also the 24 volt on the electronic locking side. So it's been amazing. So big fan for sure.
The SureFi commercial door kit allows you to use all 12 volt and 24 volt DC accessories necessary to add credentials and hardware to any commercial access point. It also has its own 12 volt and 24 volt backup battery systems, allowing you flexibility to where you connect to your AC power.
In this application, it was difficult to get wiring, in fact impossible. We're slab on grade, and the doors they wanted to do was on an addition, so there was no contiguous attic space. So wireless was really our only option, and it worked out really well for the customer. But I've struggled in the past of trying to find a 24 volt solution, knowing that the readers and the SureFi device was all 12 volt. And so with this application, we're able to make both the 12 volt and the 24 volt come together seamlessly.
The SureFi commercial door kit, solving your power problem.